To fix a Venmo transfer. Start by checking the status of your transfer in the Venmo app. Open the app, go to the Transactions tab, and look for the transfer in question. If the transfer is pending, it may take a few minutes to complete, so wait a bit before taking further action. If the transfer is still not going through, check your funding source to ensure you have sufficient funds. Make sure your bank account or credit card is linked correctly and has enough money to cover the transfer. Also, verify that your recipient's information is correct, including their Venmo username or phone number. Next, check for any potential issues with your Venmo account, such as a frozen or limited account. If your account is frozen, you will need to contact Venmo support to resolve the issue. Additionally, ensure that you are using the latest version of the Venmo app, as outdated versions can cause transfer issues. If none of these steps resolve the issue, try canceling the transfer and resending the payment. To cancel a transfer, go to the Transactions tab, select the transfer, and choose Cancel. Then, restart the transfer process, double-checking that all information is accurate. It is also a good idea to contact Venmo support directly if you are still experiencing issues. They can help you identify the problem and provide a solution. You can reach Venmo support through the app, by phone, or by email. To avoid future transfer issues, make sure to regularly review your account activity and update your funding sources as needed. Additionally, be cautious when sending money to new or unfamiliar recipients, and always verify the recipient's information before initiating a transfer. By following these steps and taking preventative measures, you can fix a Venmo transfer and ensure a smooth and secure transaction experience. Remember to stay patient and persistent, and do not hesitate to reach out to Venmo support if you need further assistance.